curry in a hurry is this one, and we have some sweet potato, which I'm not going to peel. I'm just going to give them a quick rub or a wash, chop them all up, onion, chop, and garlic as well. And then really this is just so easy. All you can do is shove everything into your hot pot, put your liquid in and go away and leave it. We've got some red lentils. Everybody moans about red lentils, but when they're in your curry you won't taste them, you won't see them, they just disintegrate. But it adds out a bit of bulk. We've got a paste, coconut milk, and lots of the spices and tomato puree. So let's start adding in. So in true style, I have my sweet potato that's all been chopped up. Add that in, and I've just chunked it into quite small quarters, and then it'll cook quicker. Got some chopped onion. Give it a mix. Oh, and just a note, you can get bags for your slow cooker, so that's what we're using. Bit of garlic, chopped up. Right, so that's all of this lot. Coconut milk. So you want all of your coconut milk. And then what you can do, I've got a stock cube which I've already melted, but so that we get all of the coconut milk out, I'm just going to tip it in there and add that in as well. And then depending on how much you like your curry, you can add just a few teaspoons or a bit more. So paste is always a bit thicker and a bit more concentrated. So I'm just going to, oh yeah, that smells. Just going to add and stir through 3 teaspoons worth there. But like I say, you can always add a bit later on when you've started to cook it. So give that a nice stir. Oh, it smells lovely. Shame it's not smelly vision. Right, so I've left a bit of the liquid for later so that as this starts to cook, I can keep adding it in. And then whatever you want in terms of your spices, so good old salt and pepper. And then we've got some cumin and turmeric to give it a bit of colour. And also a bit of ginger. Okay, so the only other thing we've got to now add is the dreaded red lentils and tomato puree. Right, so give it a quick stir around so that everything, especially tomato puree, is mixed in. And then put your lid on, turn it on, go make a cup of tea. Deliciously smelling curry is ready. So this has been cooking for 3 hours on a high heat and everything is now soft, mushy and lovely. Woo, and I'm serving mine with a naan bread. Look at that.